Hey everyone, it's your tech guy, MKBHD. Today we're talking about the iPhone 16e. This is the latest addition to Apple's lineup, and it's supposed to be the budget-friendly option for those who want the Apple experience without breaking the bank. Now, the E in past iPhones usually meant a more affordable, value-packed option. Think of the iPhone SE and the iPhone XR, which offered great performance at a lower price point. However, this time around, the iPhone 16e has left many users, myself included, feeling disappointed. Let's dive into why. From hardware issues to performance hiccups and software struggles, the problems are hard to ignore. The iPhone 16e falls short in several key areas. The hardware feels less premium, and there are noticeable performance lags that make everyday tasks frustrating. This is especially surprising considering the high standards Apple has set for itself. We expect a certain level of quality and reliability from Apple products. We're used to seeing innovation and polish from Apple, with each new product pushing the envelope in terms of design and functionality. But the 16e seems like a step back. It feels like Apple cut too many corners to keep the price down, and it shows. In this review, we'll break down the specific areas where the iPhone 16e misses the mark. We'll look at the hardware, the software, and the overall user experience. We'll also compare it to its competitors to provide context for its shortcomings. How does it stack up against other budget smartphones on the market? Stick around to the end where I'll offer some suggestions for what Apple can do to improve future iterations of the E series. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk hardware. The iPhone 16e boasts a similar design to the iPhone 15, which is not necessarily a bad thing. However, the build quality feels notably less premium. Several users have reported issues with the buttons feeling mushy and unresponsive. The display, while bright and colorful, lacks the promotion technology found in the higher-end models, resulting in a less smooth scrolling experience. While the E models are known for some compromises, these feel like noticeable downgrades that impact the overall user experience. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is powered by last year's A16 chip. This chip was once the pinnacle of Apple's engineering, delivering impressive performance and efficiency. However, as technology advances, even the best chips can start to show their age. Now on paper, this chip is still quite capable. It handles everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and video streaming without breaking a sweat. However, in real-world use, I've noticed some performance lags and stutters, especially when multitasking or running graphics-intensive games. These issues become more apparent when the device is pushed to its limits. Battery life also leaves much to be desired. Despite the efficiency of the A16 chip, the iPhone 16e struggles to maintain a full day's charge. It seems that Apple has prioritized a thinner design over battery capacity, as the 16e struggles to last a full day with moderate usage. This design choice, while aesthetically pleasing, compromises the device's practicality. This is a significant drawback compared to competitors who are pushing the boundaries of battery life in their devices. In a market where battery longevity is increasingly important, the iPhone 16e falls short. Section 4. Software struggles. Moving on to software, the iPhone 16e runs iOS 17, the latest version of Apple's mobile operating system. While iOS 17 brings some new features and improvements, it's not enough to save the 16e from feeling sluggish and uninspired. Several users have reported software glitches and bugs that hamper the overall experience. Furthermore, the lack of innovative software features specifically designed for the 16e makes it feel like a rehashed version of its predecessors. Section 5. What could have been? In this section, we delve into the potential and the pitfalls of the iPhone 16e, a device that promised much but delivered little. So there you have it, the iPhone 16e, a device that was supposed to be a game changer in the affordable smartphone market. The iPhone 16e, while positioned as an affordable option, misses the mark in several key areas. It struggles to compete with other budget-friendly smartphones. The hardware feels less premium, the performance is underwhelming, and it lacks the finesse that Apple is known for. The software too leaves much to be desired. It lacks the polish and innovation we expect from Apple, making the user experience less than satisfactory. It's clear that Apple needs to rethink its strategy for the E series. The current approach simply isn't working. Focusing on a more competitive price point, addressing the hardware shortcomings, and ensuring the device feels premium are essential steps. Optimizing the software experience should be top priorities. A seamless, intuitive interface can make all the difference. Until then, the iPhone 16e serves as a reminder that even Apple can stumble. It's a lesson in the importance of not just meeting but exceeding user expectations.